Hello and welcome to another video, guys. In this video I've got a Glitterbels haul to show you, and then I'm going to be doing a nice little cute design using them. I bought this out of my own money. It is not sponsored, but they do have a massive sale going on right now. So the first thing I picked up are these Glitterbels cube edge tips. I liked the thought of them and the way that they were shaped. They looked interesting, and I like things that are different and interesting. So if I do it that way, you can see the shape of them. Very, very nice. So I have put a set on this hand already, and I've made them a bit smaller. Now, something I have noticed, if you're getting these and you're wanting them a shorter length than what they come with, these clippers here, they won't actually fit in. So I just went in with a pair of cuticle nippers and cut them down a bit shorter because they were just a bit too long for me. So there are them. Now these on their website at the moment are £6 instead of 15, so bargain. And then I noticed some acrylics on their website I've wanted for a while, but you know, your girl's poor, and they've got a massive sale on their acrylics at the moment. So instead of £10, I only paid £3.60 for these. And the colours we've got is a sparkling shadow. Now I thought this was a black, but it's kind of looking like it would be a dark purple, but I will be swatching these. Then we have highlighter green, which is a neon green. Then we have highlighter yellow, which is a neon yellow, because I love my bright colours. Then we have dazzling highlighter orange, which is a neon orange. Then we have dragon fruit, which is a neon pink. And then we have dazzling purple, which is a neon purple. So these are, I believe, 1 ounce. Yes, so these are 1 ounce pots. Like I said, they're normally £10, but they currently have them on their website at the moment. Well, I paid, it's different prices, but these ones were £3.60. And so I'm super excited because I've been eyeing them up for a while. So let's open them up and give them a swatch and see what they look like. So there's this one, sparkling shadows. Looks really, really nice. Now the tips, you may notice I've cut the corners off. It's because I do have swatch books that I put these in, and I have to cut the corners off to get them to fit nice in my swatch book. So that picked up beautiful. Just waiting for that to polymerize. Now if this turned out not to be a black and like a really dark purple, I am okay with that. Put another bead in there. It goes lovely on the brush. I'm not having any problems picking up beads. Now I am using the Glitterbels acrylic brush, which I also paid for out of my own money. They are a bit more on the pricey side, but I just think it's beautiful brush. It's the best one I've ever used, so that is what it's looking like. It is a mix between a super dark purple and a black, but no, I like it. So let's put the lid on that. And then the next one we have is highlighter green. Super bright. I've also got to keep an eye on my puppy because he's been very poorly. I've already paid out £1,400 in vet bills for him, and he's limited to what he can do at the moment. That was my fault, I dropped the bead in the flipping acrylic. Yeah, he's limited to what he can do, so I am going to have to keep an eye on him. This one is a lot more compacted, so I might have to give it a shake and loosen it up. Because also with acrylics that are highly pigmented, you can have an issue with marbling, but that doesn't look like it will be. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to shake that up because I'm not picking up very nice beads at all. So this colour has obviously been sitting on their shelves for quite a while. And there we go, highlighter green. There, be careful, sweetheart. Please. So I just giving the next colour a bit of a shake, as best as I can, because they do fill their pots up to the top, which is, I really do like. Oh. So this is highlighter yellow. Yeah, these powders are very compact, that's why I keep dropping my beads, because they're incredibly compact. Let's try that again. And of course I've got a blinking dog here in it. So highlighter yellow. This is sparkling highlighter orange. So I couldn't find a non-sparkling highlighter orange. So this one has a bit of glitter in, but I don't mind a bit of glitter. So here we go, sparkling highlighter orange. Now we have dragon fruit, which is their neon pink. And can I just say, this is really neon. Like, wow. Turn my stick the right way round. Bear. Behave, boy, please. That's a better bead. Lovely. So that's dragon fruit, then neon pink, and here we have dazzling purple, and seeing the dazzling orange had a little bit of glitter in. Yeah, this one does too. Wow, that picked up lovely. Wonder if it's a different recipe than the others, because that went on that brush beautifully. Wow, I really like that. So here we have dazzling purple. Now you are going to have to be careful, because as you can see, the bottom is like a lot more sparkly than the top. So that's the only one that's kind of had a funky colour happen to it like that. So I will just do another one in case it was user error. Pick up a nice big bead. Give it a nice little move around, just to help offset any marbling that might be happening. If you're worried that your colours might marble, just pick up a little bit of a wetter bead than normal, and sort of, so it gives you a bit more time to move it around. And there we go. But no, it still happened again a second time, as you can see there. So that is something to keep in mind. Hello guys, so I am back. I have put on the new tips that I got with the Glitterbels order. And I'm going to go in with the bright neon colours first. So it'll be green, yellow, orange, pink and purple, just on the last 2/3 of the nail. So here we are, we have the base colours down, so we've going from green, yellow, orange, pink and purple, and as you can see I left the tops of the nails blank because we are going to be going in with the sparkling shadows. Let's turn my bit of paper around. So this is what we are looking like. I've just done it off camera. And now they're looking a bit janky, so I'm going to go and file them, make them look all nice, and then I will be back, guys. Alright guys, so we are back. This is what they are looking like. So we have our green, yellow, orange, pink and our purple. Now I'm going to do a little bit of decoration on them, and I want to try this. So I cannot read this language, but it's by a company called Annie's. And this is a glow in the dark gel, so you put it on your nails, you cure it, and then it glows in the dark, which I'm super excited to try out. So I'm just going to paint this on all of the nails. Being careful not to get this on my skin because I can't read what language it is. I do not know if it is HEMA free or not. So we just put a nice thin coat over all of the nails. But we're going to put these on, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a dollop of rhinestone glue in the middle of the nail first, and then go over the whole nail with a top coat, attach the teddy bear, flash cure, and I'm going to do the same with all of the others. So we will put a nice big dollop for the teddy bear. We don't want to be skimpy. And then we go over the whole nail with the top coat because it's harder to do it once you have the gems on the nail. So yes, that is the green. So we'll give him a nice little push down on the nail. Make sure we've got him where we want it, and I'm just going to flash cure it in place, and I am going to do all the other nails, and obviously I'm going to fast forward it so you know you're not just sat here watching me with my hand in the nail dryer. Okay, so we are back. We have put them on, and this is what they are looking like. Super cute. So I'm going to turn off the last of my lights here, and we will see if they glow in the dark. And there we go. I don't know how well my camera is going to want to pick them up, but as you can see, they do glow in the dark. Super duper cute. So yeah, let me know what you think of these neon acrylics from Glitterbels, and I will see you all in another video, guys. Bye!